So you wanted to get started totally for free here in the TikTok shop. I'm going to be showing you how to get started totally for free, guys, and an actual tutorial for beginners. So first of all, what you wanted to do is to access the TikTok shop. Now the TikTok shop is going to be letting you customers discover and buy your products in a fun way. So TikTok so far is like the best, easy and popular social media to engage to the customers. So the very first thing you wanted to do is to go into get started. There's 4 different ways of how you can get started and how you can, of course, make the shoppable stuff. Live shopping, shoppable videos, product showcase, or even the shop tab. So you wanted to get started, first of all, what you wanted to do is to figure out what is the actual shop that you wanted to get started with. So whether you are a seller, whether you are a creator, whether you are a partner, or lastly, you are just an affiliate. Today, what I wanted to do is to focus into affiliate. Let's go into learn more. Now, I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so you can go straight directly into the point and figure out which is like the best account you want to get started with. Now, here what you want to do is to figure out if this one actually is for you or not. Since we are sellers, what we wanted to do is to focus into the TikTok shop for Seller Center, go into the affiliate to get started, and set up collaboration to reach more buyers. I'm going to hit into get started. Directly here into get started, it's going to be asking us to sign in into the TikTok shop. Once again, if you don't have an actual TikTok shop, it's going to be really easy, so you don't have to worry about it. In my case, what I wanted to do is to look out for a United States seller. So it's going to be really important, guys, that if you don't have shop into United States, go and continue. If you don't have the TikTok shop available inside of this actual website, then it's going to be really hard to get started into TikTok shop. So let's log into our actual TikTok account. So we're going to go into start selling. Now I am into the Seller Center. So I have now my account, I have now my shopping, so let's set this up. So it's going to be first of all asking you your business type. It's important to accurately identify the business structure when setting up a TikTok shop seller account. So in this case, in my case, we are an actual individual. I go for next, and then it's going to be asking us to add an ID verification. So this might be whether that will be like a US passport or a US driver's license. If you have one of those, go and upload your image from the front side and the back side, and then hit now go into next. Then what we want to do is to choose and adding a name of how we want it to appear inside the shop name. In this case, let's go for MILK, and the primary product in my case is going to be focusing into some household home supplies. Lastly, what you wanted to do is to add a phone number. Another solution that I can give you, if you have your Shopify created, what you can do is just to make the link between the TikTok for business directly into the Shopify. So the actual Shopify is going to be taking care of syncing your Shopify listing into TikTok and allowing customers to buy from a TikTok account and drive checkout directly inside TikTok. Make sure before you make this actual process, you have actual products into Shopify, so automatically has been done correctly. And lastly, you want to make sure that rather than Shopify, what you want to do is to make sure that if you're using one of these partners, they are actually available to get started here inside the TikTok Shop Partner Center. So unfortunately right now at the moment, since I am not currently based in the United States, I cannot show you the actual process to have an actual product listed directly into TikTok, but we have just show you all the steps that you need to be done in order to set up your actual TikTok inside your actual product inside the TikTok shop. Once again, it's going to be really important, guys, to be based inside one of these sellers, one of these regions. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get started here inside the TikTok shop. The last solution that I can give you is that maybe there are other ideas, there are other places where you can do much more. For example, the Google Shopping, Instagram, Facebook, Meta Shopping, of course, as well, actually are really great. So find the best solution for you, and later on what you can do to get started to drive some sales. So hopefully, guys, this was very useful information for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if this was very useful information for you. Thank you so much for checking out this new videos with TechExpress. Hopefully we can all see you next time.